Are you tired of being stuck in the same spot all day working? Well, this is a desk that rolls with you. So let's go over the mounted rolling standing desk. I'm gonna go over all the different features of this desk, talk about who it's for, go over a demo of me adjusting the height of the desk, and talk about who this rolling standing desk is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your desk. Okay, so this is a standing desk with 4 different shelves. So of course we have the top one here, one here, one right here, and one on the very bottom. So each shelf can hold 33 pounds. So a total of 132 pounds can be put on this desk. So that's quite a lot. And this does have a height adjustment. We look on the back right here. It's a manual adjustment, so there's no electronics, no motors. You can see this has a steel frame. It's budget friendly and it's not too heavy, which is nice, but definitely sturdy enough to be able to hold everything with the 33 pounds per shelf and not be too wobbly. So the width is 27.5 inches wide, so plenty enough for your monitors, your laptops, and really just all your office supplies. And the assembly of this thing really did not take long at all. It took around 20 minutes. So it's really simple to put together. It's not a real complex process, which is really nice. Okay, so let's go over the key features here. First, the height adjustment. So there are 11 different positions that you can adjust this into, and it ranges from 37 inches tall to 53 inches tall. So what this means is it works for people from 5 feet to 6'3". So it's really, diverse. This can be used, in your house for, many different people, and especially it works well for tall people. Okay, so let's go over a demo of me adjusting the height here. So if we look in closely here, we can see we have these 2 knobs that we can turn. So we'll go ahead and do that to loosen them. We'll go ahead and hold the top shelf just to make sure it doesn't go down. Okay, and then we can just have it slide down. And that's the bottom. We'll hear it click. Okay, and here's what it looks like at its lowest setting. So here's your basic desk. When you're sitting down, it's a nice height. Okay, and then we can go ahead and just lift up. You put your foot on the bottom and then go ahead and lift up and you'll hear it click into the different positions. And we'll go all the way to the top here. Okay, and then you'll see a max right here on the side. You'll hit the max height. And I'll go ahead and tighten both sides. That way it'll stay put. You can see just how tall this is. This is almost as tall as me. So like I said, it works really well for tall people as well. Okay, and then to push it down, go ahead and loosen again here on both sides. Really simple. Okay, so another great feature about this is the mobility of it. It has 1.5-inch caster wheels, so it can easily just move anywhere on tile, on carpet. So let's go ahead and show you that. I'll just put this onto the carpet right here and just move it, so you can see how easily it just goes through the carpet. Go ahead and pull it back. Okay, let's go ahead and push it to the front here. We can see on the front wheels, we have little tabs here where we can lock the wheels in place on both sides right here. So once we're in our specific spot, we want the desk, we just lock these wheels and it'll stay put. Okay, then we're on the tile now and it just rolls even easier on the tile. So you really don't have an issue moving this around. Of course, when you have, your laptop and a lot of other things on here, you want to, of course, be careful. You don't want to just be throwing it around. Be sure to move it slowly so nothing falls off. Okay, and as you have noticed already, these are wood shelves and it has a steel frame. So really sturdy and it has bolted joints on it. Okay, so I've added my laptop, headphones, keyboard, wrist pad, mouse, and a box at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and move it as well. Okay, so now I'll move it forward so you can see what it's like moving with items on the desk. Just be careful again. So you can see it moves really smoothly. Move it 360. And even on the carpet, it's really sturdy. So I'm even moving it pretty fast here. Nothing's falling off. Another thing, the wobble. So at a higher setting, obviously there's gonna be more wobble on this. You know, it is a sturdy desk, but it's not a super heavy desk, so it's not gonna be able to absorb as much of the wobble. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so the pros and cons here. So the pros, it's mobile, it's really easy to adjust the height. There's a lot of space on the 4 different shelves here. You can see there's still plenty of space on both these top ones. And just the height works for many different people, especially tall people. It's always a struggle to find, you know, good standing desks, mobile standing desks for tall people as well. It looks great, and it's just not too big. You know, it's just the right size. You can fit this in many different spots in your house. Okay, so some of the cons here. So if you have a lot on these top 2 shelves, adjusting the height will just be a little bit harder. You'll probably want someone helping you when you're adjusting the height. Or on some of the highest settings, it will be a little more wobbly. Just keep that in mind. And in general, compared to, you know, a really heavy duty standing desk, even at the lower settings, it's gonna have a little more wobble. But for just normal use, I haven't really found a problem with the wobble at all. Okay, so who is this standing rolling desk for? Really for people who work from home and just want to be able to move around, be able to stand, and just be in different locations. It's just really nice just being able to move. Just that in itself makes this desk worth it. Also, for anyone who's doing like presentations, this works really well, that we have all this space and you can easily move it around. So if you're looking for a good quality mobile standing desk, this is definitely one worth checking out.